Victims of the Chattisinghpora massacre, in which 35 members of the Sikh community were killed by the Indian troops in disguise in the Islamabad district of the occupied Kashmir, continue to await justice after 24 years. The delay in providing justice has led to disillusionment among the Sikh community, both within the occupied territory and abroad. The massacre, orchestrated by the Indian troops disguised in plain clothes, aim to discredit the Kashmiri freedom movement by associating with terrorism. Posters with greeting messages ahead of the Pakistan Day, celebrated on 23rd March, have appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley. The posters displayed by the various organizations carry the slogan "हम पाकिस्तानी हैं, Pakistan हमारा है," coined by the late veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani. The posters demanded an end to the Indian illegal occupation, expressed support for the Kashmir's freedom, and asserted that Jammu and Kashmir is a part of Pakistan. Renowned Kashmiri author and former BBC editor Naima Ahmad Mahjoor, in an article published in the Jammu-based Kashmir Times, pointed out that the recent visit of the Indian cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar to occupied Kashmir has unintentionally exposed the deep-rooted love for Pakistan and resentment among the Kashmiris towards Indian illegal occupation. Tendulkar's tour, perceived as political by his fans, included visits to the government institutions, the line of control, and interactions with the selected individuals. The author argues that if Pakistani cricketers were allowed to visit occupied Kashmir, the overwhelming love and support from Kashmiris could potentially lead to stampede deaths. The article mentioned that the Kashmiri people consider Pakistani players as their all-time heroes and hold them close to their hearts. The body of a 40-year-old man named Mushtaq Ahmed was discovered under mysterious circumstances. The locals found his body lying in Duru village. A case has been registered in this regard.